I know sis is looking kind of crazy right now, but welcome to day 4 of our 12th day of Slay. We're so excited that you guys are continuing to view our content. We're just so appreciative. We just want to say thank you. While I let the concealer dry, I just wanted to pop up on here and just welcome back. It's day 4, you guys, of our 12th day of Slay. Thank you so much for just being consistent and just joining us as we just slay, just for fun. We're having fun. We hope you're enjoying it. If you need any like detailed videos, just remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below. We're here for the people. Once again, we are here for you. We had the opportunity to get our mom all cute, so I hope you guys like that video. So since today's day 4, I wanted to focus on like highlighters. I'm a highlight chick, as I mentioned, and I love highlighters. So based upon this chocolate will be the depth of the highlighter that I'll go for. And I'll do some swatches too. So let's see what chocolate we have. I hope it's not the mint one. Oh my god, because it only comes with 4. So I pray to God it's not the mint. Oh my god. Happy dance. Oh my god, it's a milk caramel. Ooh. It looks red. Yeah, it's orange. It's like an orange kind of color. But you know, I is happy. I hope you guys are doing great once again. Y'all know me, I'm a bite. It's the caramel for me. I love caramel. Don't like chocolate, but I'll do caramel. So, I have so many different, I have some highlighters that I had for years. 4 years. And I have some that I recently bought. But we're going to see which one I'm going to choose for this look. And I'll put some in my inner corner as well. Let's see. I'm going to squash. I'm going to swash it here so you guys can see it. And so I don't put it on my face. Can't mess up this look, you know. So I use this brush. The first highlighter, I'm going to go from the oldest one that I have. Well, I think I have some more. I told you I have so many highlighters, y'all. It's crazy. Okay, so I have this Jackie one. When Jackie had partnered with Artist Couture, she came out with these. I think it's 2017-16. And this one is the LeBrons. And I love these because they're loose powder, so you can have more fun with it. So let's see. If I put it on here, if you guys can see it. You guys really can't see it. Let's see. Probably my other arm. Let me try it here. Ooh. I don't think you can see the... Yeah, it's not gonna show. Let me see something. Let me just try this one. Ooh, honey. You see this, bruh? This may be the one, honestly. Like, that thing look fire, okay? LeBrons. Get you a LeBrons. Let me stop. I'm just gonna use a wipe just to wipe off the highlight, because I'm gonna be reapplying. Sorry, y'all. Let me know how you guys are doing. How's your family? Are you guys excited for Christmas? Did you decorate your homes? This is the other one. It's kind of almost the same, but it's like more honey-ish. Like, it's way more honey. If you can see, this one is the La Peach. Like, it's this, and you see how, let me see. I'm trying to show y'all the goodness of the Lord. But it doesn't want to show you the goodness of the Lord. Let me see if I put it side to side, you'll see like what I'm talking about. How, see? Like night and day. This one is legit La Peach and this is LeBron's. But I think LeBron's may be the winner. But hey, let me not be biased yet. Let me go on to the next one. The next one is Fenty, but Fenty's on is a little bit too on the pinkish, but this is the Kilowatt combination. This is also a beautiful highlighter that I love to use, but it's not in the color range with the orange goldness that I'm going for. It's like a sunset type of candy. And I also have the Dior one, and this one is the Dior Skin Nude Luminizer Lowly Glow. I may be pronouncing these things wrong, forgive me, but this one is more of another pink, so this one may not be it either. Oh, but these are so beautiful. I just want you to see, like, it's just so pink. Like, let me see if this is a dry one, so I'm gonna see if I can just like put it somewhere so you guys can see it. See this? Like, it's like iridescent pink type of thing, you know? Ooh. It's the way the light hits it, makes it look so beautiful. Okay, our next one is let me see. This one is a purple one by when Justine Skye had collaborate with MAC. It's like an orange kind of highlighter. This is also a nice one. It's very iridescent on our skin color, but it's a beautiful highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna try it here. It's not showing as I wanted to because it's so purple. Like, y'all see this? This thing is purple. Like, it's so purple, but it's so pretty, especially if you have a nice purple eye look. Like, my sister did a look and she put purple on her theme, but then used that as a highlighter to go with the color theme, because she has pink hair, so she was being colorful for her like style. So that was like a cute look to go with. The next one we have is the BECCA. See, this is almost wrong because this be the truth, y'all. And this one is like chocolate geode. I may be pronouncing it wrong, but this one is also a beautiful highlighter. This may also be, let's see. I'm trying to look at the wrapper. This is the wrapper in here. Like, you know, that's what I'm making the decision based off of, is how it looks on the wrapper. The next one is the I'm still on the BECCA, but I'm swatching. Ooh, let me see. This one still looks pretty. Oh my god, y'all see this though? Like, I'm just mad that I'm wasting it on the palm of my hand. Well, the other side, whatever side you call it, side, I don't know. But these things, like, my god, who created highlighters? I'm in love with the highlighters. Okay, the next one is Illuminator Flex, or it's called Glazed. I'm saying everything wrong. This is from Milk. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's the Milk makeup. Can you? Sorry, y'all. I told you I'm new to this, but it's not showing. But it's a beautiful gold. The packaging is nice, and I'm putting it here. See, I love gold. Like, I love to just be looking like I came out the sun type of thing. So this is the Milk one. Dang, like, I'm even more indecisive as I'm swapping it on my hands. The colors are looking different. Like, oh my god. Okay, this is just a glow with the extra dimension skin finish. This one is by MAC. It comes looking like this, and this is like real light though when you put it on, but it's such a beautiful color. I'm gonna swatch this one. Let me put it here. Ooh, you see this? Like, a lot of them that I purchased are honestly the same, and I just wanted you to see that I'm that person that would just go and get the same color highlighter, but they all do give you a different feel when you put it on. And the last one is the Laura Mercier. It's also a face illuminator. It looks like this, and let me see how this is going to look. This one because this one is kind of light, so this one won't make the cut, but it's beautiful. But you see this? Like, bruh. So I showed you my highlighter collection. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll come back so that way we can see which one won. Did I accomplish the highlighted look, y'all? Did I does that? Did I do that? Have I done it? Or did I do it? This was the color. It was like an orange type of thing. Oh my god. Did it? Look at the nose. Some here, you know, some up there. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm gonna come back again in a whole fit so y'all can see the whole look. Cause I'm gonna put some highlighter over here. Cause it ain't a look without some highlighter on your, you know, your little clavicles. And also, what I'm gonna do, put some earrings on or something. But I'm indecisive of which chocolate dress I'm gonna wear. Hey sis, hey sis, hey sis, hey sis, hey, 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 hey. How did I do, you guys? I have a chocolate dress. I think it's from Pretty Little Things or Fashion Nova. It's real pretty. It came out, we bought this a while ago for a photo shoot, but this is the outfit. This is the style. Even through a bag. Like very sophisticated. Do you guys see the highlight? Do you guys like the look? Thank you so much for joining us on day 4 of our 12 days of slay. You know, I don't know what streets I'm about to hit up, but I'm fine, you know. Just feeling myself. But thank you so much. I hope you guys are doing well. You're staying safe. You're with your family and loved ones. Make sure you're decorating. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like the video. We love you. We thank you. And I pray that you have an amazing, amazing day. Deuces. Deuces. Hey, sis. Hey, sis. Hey. And this is the chocolate. Once again, it was this chocolate. You see? Oh. Bam, 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 bam. I just love playing around, but this was the look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time.